Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope everyone is fine there. This is teacher Nadeem, and the subject is IT skill 2, and this topic is IT skill part 2. So we will start our lecture on about Microsoft Excel 2007. So here we go. What is cell and cell address? If you remember in last session we have seen how to start Microsoft Excel and how where to save the file and how to save the file, how to close and open. So this is the first thing, and we have done the we understand what is the interface of Microsoft Excel. So today we will talk about Excel sheet. How what is Excel, like in Excel, what is cell and cell address? So this is the if you will start Microsoft Excel, you will see this Excel sheet. Okay, so first you will see over here ABCD, it's in alphabets, and left hand side you will see the numbers. So what is this alphabets? If you will see this is called columns. Okay, and this are rows. Alphabets are column and numbers are rows. And what is cell address? Cell address, identity of each cell, usually a combination of letter and number. Okay, cell intersection, sorry, of row and column. So like with me, just if you will do this practice you will understand well, and if you understand this nicely, everything will be easy for you for further activities or quiz. Okay, so this is a blue color block. Where is this blue color block is located now? So this blue color block is located on A3. The cell address of this blue color block is A3. Now next is red. Where is red? This red color is B8. So you can see this B8. I cannot say this 8B. No, it will be wrong. So the cell address is B8. Now next is green. So it is C3. Next yellow D12. Then pink E1. So these are the cell address, and I hope you understand. And next again, uh, cell address, identity of each cell, usually a combination of a letter and number, as you've seen. So now let's do it together. So first we will start with letter, like not this letter, this is the column and this are the rows, okay, the numbers, but we will identify where is this letter is located, what is the cell address of this letters. So first is A. What is the cell address of this alphabet? A is B4, and alphabet B addresses D3. C cell address D11. You can see it's D11, and alphabet D is B8. Okay, and last is E. So E is C7. Okay, now exercise by numbers. Okay, so like these are the numbers. So you have to say me the you have to identify the cell address. Okay, 100 A5, 200 C3, 300 C11, 400 D7, and 500 is B9. Okay, thank you. If you have any question you can ask me, and I will take quiz on this. So that quiz will be quiz 2, and if you have any questions you can contact me on WhatsApp. I will be happy to help you Thank you so much.